Hello to all my subscribers and viewers. Today, I've got absolutely mind-blowing news to share with you. I've just acquired a professional license for WalletTools, and from now on, I'll be using the Pro version of this incredible application, which comes with a whole new level of powerful features. In case you haven't heard of it before, let me quickly explain. WalletTools is designed to help recover cryptocurrency that was lost due to scams, rug pulls, phishing, malicious smart contracts, or even accidental transactions. Now, it's important to be realistic. No tool can bring back everything. Usually, you can only recover a portion of your lost funds. And the sooner you start the recovery process after the loss happens, the higher your chances are of getting something back. Here's where things get really exciting. The Pro version works with 15 EVM-compatible blockchains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum One, Avalanche, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, Optimism, Hyperliquid, Linea, Chronos, Unichain, Burrachain, Scroll, Mantle, and Sonic. It also supports the recovery of over 80 different tokens, including stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Now, officially, the only difference between the free and the Pro version is this broader network support. But as someone who has used both, I can confidently say that the Pro version uses more advanced algorithms. There were transactions I could not recover using the free version, but I successfully restored them using Pro. So yes, there's a very real difference. Let me give you a real example. A client once lost around $10,000 in USDT due to a fake token scam. They made over 10 identical transactions, and only later realized they had lost almost all of their investment. Panic, despair, depression. Thankfully, they pulled themselves together and reached out to me. I used WalletTools Pro, analyzed their wallet address, and received a list of transactions that were eligible for recovery, but only under certain conditions. The transactions had to be recent, and the lost funds must not have been moved to another address yet. The recovery process itself isn't flashy or dramatic, it's methodical. The first step is to authorize the wallet via a hex signature, which is the safest method. The client generated their own hex signature and sent it to me. This way, I never gain direct access to their private keys or seed phrase, which eliminates any risk of data compromise. After inserting the hex signature and starting the scan, the system checks every transaction one by one. Most of them return the dreaded message, not recoverable. WalletTools is not a time machine or a magic wand, and it can't recover everything. But it's still the best recovery tool I've ever used. Finally, after multiple attempts, success. One transaction was restored, and the funds immediately reappeared on the original wallet. No waiting hours, days, or weeks, it's instant. In total, I was able to recover over $2,000 for this client. Not the full amount, but still a major relief for them. And let me be clear. No one can guarantee full recovery. If someone promises that they're probably trying to scam you. In another case, I worked on BNB token transactions. The process was almost the same. Analyze the wallet. Get the list of eligible transactions. Authorize the address via hex signature, private key, or seed phrase. Though, again, hex is the safest. The client provided a hex signature in advance, and after entering it into WalletTools Pro, I began checking each transaction. Again, many came back as not recoverable, but eventually, I managed to bring back part of the lost BNB. So, what's the main takeaway here? WalletTools Pro won't restore all your losses, no tool can. But it gives you a real fighting chance to recover at least part of your lost crypto, especially if you act fast and carefully. And the Pro version definitely delivers better results and broader coverage than the free one. For me, this tool has become absolutely essential, and I'm thrilled to now be using the professional version. If you ever find yourself or someone you know a victim of a crypto scam, rug pull, or accidental transfer, don't give up. Get in touch, and maybe we can recover at least some of what was lost. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your trust. I hope you never need wallet tools, but if you ever do, you'll know where to find help. Stay safe, protect your assets, and I'll see you in the next video.